All right, so we're going to talk about iliotibial band syndrome, or also known as IT band syndrome. Now, there are certain causes of that we'll talk about, and we'll talk about the symptoms too, but let's start with the anatomy. So the iliotibial band runs down the outside of your leg to the knee there, and it attaches to the tensor fasciae lata muscle, or the TFL muscle. Now, when this gets short and tight, we'll have problems with that. Now, IT band syndrome is actually a pain on the outside of the hip that feels like it's deep in the hip. There are different causes. Running can cause it, hiking can cause it, bicycling can cause it. You can have a pronation problem with your feet where the arch is dropped, or one leg can be shorter than the other. So those are some causes of it. Some treatments for it are chiropractic and physical therapy. You can do some foam rolling of it, and you can also do some stretching of it. One of the other causes I didn't mention is weak hip flexors. So by strengthening the hip flexors, that will help it also. So what does that stretch look like for the IT band? What you're going to do, say that it's bothering you on the right hand side, you're going to cross the left leg over the right leg, and then you're going to hike your hip out toward the wall. And you're going to feel like a pressure deep in the hip there, and that's stretching that tensor fasciae lata muscle, which releases the IT band. So that's a great way to stretch it out. The other thing that you can do is foam roll it. And so with foam rolling, what you're going to do is lie on your side, and you're going to go up and down just on the muscle itself. So you're only going to do the tensor fasciae lata muscle. Remember that tendon, which is the IT band, that attaches from the muscle down to the knee, is really thick and fibrous. So foam rolling isn't going to make much changes to that at all. You want to make the change at the top where the muscle is, where it's more deformable and more stretchable for you.